Yo, what's good world? It's your boy TWiZ and welcome to another unboxing episode of 5 Minutes of TWiZdom. Today, we're gonna take a look at the new interface that I just got, the Scarlett USB audio interface Generation 3. We're gonna take a look at it, what it do, how to hook it up, and how it sounds overall. Stay tuned. All right, let's get straight to it. So, I already kind of opened it a little bit. I was kind of excited when it came in, and we ended up getting a new interface because I had an old inbox and it was just really time for that thing to go, man. So ended up ordering the Gen 3 Focusrite. The Focusrite first gen was actually my first audio interface, and I've dabbled in between just some other audio interfaces which were pretty cool, like the Personas, Inbox, just to name a few of them. And I kind of was like, you know what, I need to upgrade this thing one more time. Let me see what Focusrite is hitting on right now. And I saw there, made it all the way out to the 3rd generation. And I ordered the bundle that comes with 2 XLR cables and the headphone set and the audio interface for the mobile setup. So let's take a look at the box. Let's see what we got here. All right. So as I mentioned, XLR cables. And the one that I got, let me see I can't even remember how many feet it was. I think it's like 6 feet or something like that. It's nothing too spectacular. It came with 2, and the reason why I got the one with 2 is you can never go wrong with having extra XLR cables. Not that they go bad, they usually last pretty long, but 2 is better than 1, especially for the price. So these 2 XLR cables comes with right here. Also the Tascam headphones. These are pretty cool right here. I'll go a little bit more into this when we get to the actual setup of the audio interface. So let's get cranking. And the moment you have been waiting for. Dee-da, dee-da. All right, so let's get this bad boy open. And if you don't have a box cutter, it's all good. Got keys. Keys will get the job done. All right, that bad boy. Bam. The 2i2. Boom. Right there for you. All right. So it's the 3rd generation. It's 2 in, 2 out USB audio interface, plain and simple. All right. So let's get this thing open. And I try to be delicate more so with opening boxes because I'm the type of person that used to just rip it open and don't have anything for it to go back in when it's time to be real careful with your stuff. But doing a little bit better with it right now. All right, so it comes in a tight package box. Okay, it's not that big. See, it's pretty small, but it's cool like that because it helps you for your mobile recording and stuff like that. And it's instructions in here, and it comes with your USB cable. Now remember, the new gen comes with the USB-C, and what that is basically these kind of tips. Where it comes in is not your standard USB, so it's more so for the newer type Macs, MacBooks and Mac computers. They're kind of getting away from the traditional USB and they're actually going to USB-C. Now the thing about USB-C is because it's a fairly new adaptive cord, you may need like an adapter to go to like older models of like your MacBook or iMac hardware and stuff like that, or even if you're on like a PC and stuff like that, you're going to need like an adapter for it to go into there, which I have right here for that. So before you buy this, make sure that you have some kind of adapter to connect your USB-C to USB-C. Okay, all right, so we're going to leave this right here and we're going to untape this thing. All right. Look at that. New toys. All right, boom. And this thing is extra clean. Look at that. Definitely upgrade from the one that I used to have. All right. So just really quickly, I'm gonna go over just some of the things for you. On the front part right here, you have your first input right here. That's where you put your mic in for the first one. This is your second mic input right here. That's what the 2i means, the 2 inputs. And this is like your gain, both of your gains right here. And this is like your master volume. You control that with your volume. And this is for your headphones. And the cool thing I like about it is they pretty much keep it simple with the controls and things of that nature for this. It kind of looks like the first generation, just a little bit more updated and new, but I mean, it's pretty much simple. And then, you know, you got your little bottoms on here, the bottom buttons on here was like your instrument and air and direct monitoring right here too, which these were not on like first gen and possibly second gen, but they have it on these one here. And if you look at to the back right here, right there is where you plug in your USB right there in the back. That's where you plug in your USB-C right there. And then these are your left and right for your monitors and stuff like that. So we're gonna hook it up and see what kind of sounds we can get from it, okay? All right, being that I have my monitors already right here, plug it in left. Let's see what my other one is. Plug it in right. All right. So USB-C. All right, and you got your traditional one at the end. Like I said, it's adapter, but like I said, the newer iMacs and stuff like that, you gotta have this kind of adapter to go to it, which I have right here. It's just a simpler one. Boom, boom. Or just a quick trick, excuse me. If you have like a USB-C charger, it goes to a USB-C adapter for your plug, so you can use that to go straight into there. But for just purposes right now, we'll just go ahead and hook it up to my adapter and get that thing going on. All right, so let me cut up my monitors. I don't think I have my monitors on right now, so let me cut that bad boy on. All right, boom, boom, boom. All right, cool, we're in the game. All right, and just so you know that it's working, you'll see a green light right here that shows that the USB connection is working. All right. All right, so let's test this bad boy. It's literally this easy to put in there. You plug in and you should be able to play. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what it do. All right, so obviously when you put it in, because it's a new device, you have to go to like your settings, preference settings, go to your sound, go to your output, make sure you select the Scarlett 2i2 USB. And once you do that, you should be good to go. That easy. Jamming, baby. Give me jamming, baby. Jamming, baby. All right, so it works right there. So now let's hook up the microphone to this to get this bad boy working. All right, so let me go ahead and get that thing popping. Where's my Logic Pro? Okay, let's get that on the desktop. All right. So just take some of this off. And it usually come with twist ties on it, so you can get that thing unloosened. Sorry it's taking so long. All right, cool. And it has the Velcro strip on there, so that way you can kind of untie it and keep it a little neat in the circle. I'm not gonna unravel this whole thing because I don't really need all of this. This is pretty decent size. All right, so if you notice, this end of your microphone is the female end. This is the part that goes into your microphone. So I don't need that part right now. The male end, which is the one with the 3 dots in the middle, or 3 pins, if you will, is the part that goes inside the interface. So just really quickly, I only have 1 microphone, so I can just go ahead and put this into channel 3. I'm at channel 1, excuse me. And if you look right here, the 3 pins are right there to show you how to line it up. It's real simple, okay? So, boom. All right, now it's in there. And I'm just bringing this mic right here just to test to show you. So again, you take the female end and you put it right here, match up with the 3 pins of the microphone, boom, it's in there. But for my purpose, I'm gonna do it inside here. All right, boom, that's simple. Now, to make sure you get your microphone working, you wanna make sure you hit the 48V, which is on the button. And I'm gonna try to turn it here. Your 48V is right here. And if you did it right, you did it correctly, it will turn red. And it'll say 48V to let you know your phantom panel is on and it's ready to record. And all you have to do is open up your DAW and you should be ready to go. So just give me a moment, I'm gonna upload, I got Logic Pro, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload that. Check, check, check. And here I got a live sound. It is really, really good. Again, once you update your interface into your regular sound, you have to go into whatever DAW you're using and switch the output device to whatever that is. Once you do that, it's up and running. Mic check, check, check. Make sure you hit record, of course. Mic check, check, check. 1, 2, 2, 2. Mic check. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Mic check, check. And there we go. I mean, everything sounds really, really good when it comes to that, right in there. And I'm getting my audio signal and everything is on point. So it's really that simple. It takes all of maybe 10, 15 minutes, depending on how long you taking to upload this thing, but it's real simple to really get it going. And it comes with everything you need, basically, with the interface. You get your XLR cables and you get your headphones. Now, I said I was gonna save this to when we get up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. All right. And the headphones come pre-packaged in this box. The end cord is kind of entangled into the middle box. So be careful when you take out. Just pull out that middle box and you'll be able to take it out. And it comes with like instructions and stuff in there, but you really don't need that. It's literally studio monitor headphones. Take the plastic off. Throw that bad boy in the trash. All right, cool. And take the plastic off the bottom. There's a tie on there. So again, more ties, but they do it to make sure you're good to go. All right, another tie. All these ties. All right, and you can get this plastic off at the end by just ripping it. putting it in the trash. It's good. And it already comes with a 1/4 inch attached to it. See that? So it's really good. It looks like it's the screw kind. So you have to screw it off and screw it back on. Now, the only downfall about screw off 1/4 inches is that it's only specifically for the ones that screw on. So this 1/4 inch won't necessarily work with other ones that, like, you know, snap on. It's not gonna work with those. So keep up with this 1/4 inch because it only works for these pair of headphones or other headphones that may have the similar size to screw that on, okay? And then once you get that, you're gonna plug it. Go ahead and throw this bad boy up. And you're gonna plug it into the headphone jack right here. Boom, all right? And you can control the headphone. Remember the button where you can control the headphones is right there, all right? So you throw them on. Now, I would say the sucky thing about these headphones is, you know, these are leather on the outside. So like if you're sweating a lot, you might not want to put these on or be careful when you put them on when you sweat because they'll start to peel on the outside. So the only thing that sucks about these that I can tell. The earphone parts is it turns all different kinds of ways. They don't bend, so don't do that. But you can adjust from the top, small, like boom, 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 put them on. They feel very comfortable. It's really canceling out some of the sound that's around. And it sounds pretty good with the headphones inside. So, you know, mic check 1 2 2 2 2 2. Mic check. My mic sounds nice. There we go. And we're good to go. And it's that simple. And if you can't hear yourself at first when you put your headphones in, you want to make sure you hit that direct monitor button, okay? And make sure it's on mono because that's the signal that's coming in. It's on mono, not stereo. So you want to make sure it's on mono, and then that way you can be able to hear yourself inside the headphones, okay? And that's the button that's directly underneath the 48V when you get it. So that's basically it. That is how you set up your USB interface, and that's all she wrote, fam. You know what I mean? Pretty simple, pretty cut and dry, really budget-friendly interface, great quality on the sound, and it sounds immaculate from the headphones all the way down to the interface. So make sure you cop one of these, man. If you're trying to build up a little mobile studio just to kind of get this workflow going, this is what you really want to do. All right, thank you for watching my unboxing edition of the USB Focusrite audio interface. It's your boy TWiZ. Make sure you subscribe. All right, subscribe, share to a friend, hit the like button, comment down below if you have a Focusrite, or let me know what kind of interface that you have. Maybe we can check that out and see if we can do another unboxing of that interface as well and kind of go more in depth. Look for more tutorials of going on how to get this thing to sound sweet. All right, it's your boy TWiZ. It's another episode of 5 Minutes of TWiZ. I'm out, certified.